So we are putting the mesh, we're setting the mesh properly before we're going to install the liner. So as you can see, the mesh is going inside to the shower where the quick stop will sit on it, and outside of the shower where tile is going to sit on it.
So we're going to put the mesh over the liner, and then we're going to float it with a fortified mortar from Laticrete.
So as you can see, it's better to prepare it before you put the liner, because if not, it might punch the liner. So make sure that everything is proper done. As you can see inside, we'll go from inside. You can see how it's done. And I'm going to show you it after I'm going to put the liner, how it looks like. So that's the way it looks like. As you can see, a piece of it is in the shower, and the bed mat will sit on the mesh. It strengthens the mesh actually.
This is a diamond mesh that I purchased from Home Depot. So now we will remove the mesh.
You can see how it looks like before we're going to put the liner.